Hello everybody, and I'm super excited today. The time has finally come. I'm going to be starting on my trailer. Right, so the plan is, because the trailer is not quite 6 foot wide, that means that I should be able to use a ramp to lift the chassis to turn it over to be able to continue to work on the hard standing. So I put the lifting chain around the chassis and around the trailer leg, so that will distribute the weight better on the ramp and pull more centrally to the post, and it should hopefully make it a lot easier for me. So what I'm going to do is try and lift it up to 90 degrees and then hook it on the other side to let me lower it back down to completely turn it over. So let's see how it goes. Now as long as it doesn't fall on me, I'll be doing okay. The wheel's not hitting the chassis yet. What I'm going to do is see if I can actually pull the front end around a little bit. Okay, so I'll come around, go for a little bit more. No, it's not. It's fine. Okay, so what I'll do now is get a high lift jack under that, I think, to hold it in its position. Okay, so a lot of people are not overly keen on high lift jacks for some reason. I do quite like them myself. You just need to be a bit careful and know what you're doing. I think mine needs a little bit of oil on it. Okay, so I'm going to need a block of wood under that, I guess. Which I've seen somewhere. So, press that on there. Hopefully I can now come down onto there. One way, Lisa, one way, pull it back, pull it back. Why is it going? high lift jacks are meant to be upright if possible. So it's definitely getting there. So down a little bit more. Hang on, because of the safety lock. That's one good thing with it on the ramp, it can't fall on me. So we will just leave the tyre on there for a moment while we put the jack in place. That's not going to fall. We're going to sling it off this side now, which will start to hopefully pull it over. Okay, so when I take it up now, it should stop it falling that way. As it comes over, I'll move the jack around this side, re-chop the chain, and then we can start letting it down. That is the plan. Whether it works, I'm not sure. Okay, so that's a chassis balance. Ish, because it is on to back of the trailer. Stays on here. Ideally, it needs to go forwards a bit. Just like that. Okay. Choker. Manageable. Okay, so as we can see, that is the welding that was done previously by somebody. We can see the quantity of damage there on the hook. It is, yeah, it's not great, is it? So what we need to do is we're gonna cut this off and weld the new one on.